Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create some visuals on Power BI. And on this memo, I chose this data set. This is about car crashes in a certain county in the United States, and the duration is from 2003 to 2017. And here, as you can see, the collision type, when it's happened, whether it's on the weekend or not. Where's the location, the primary factor, the injury type. So we're pretty much going to be using the injury type, report the primary factor, and let's see what we can create with this. So first off, let's just see like what the data tells us, and then we could pick a visual. So I like to pick first the metrics here, and let's drop the primary factor in rows. As you can see, there's pretty much like everything, all reasons for car crashes or accidents. There's driver illness, driver asleep or fatigued, cell phone usage, alcoholic beverages. That's what they tell you, don't drink and drive. So yeah, let's see the number of the injury type. Let's put it in the values to see how many we got here. We have to change this instead of first to count. So we have around 53,943 accidents during that time in this county. So what we want to do, um let's use the filters here to get the top 10 primary factors. So we could pick this, then instead of basic filtering, we would have to pick top number or top n as a number, and then you could put 10. Then you'd have to drag and drop here primary factor, and instead of first here it has to be count. Then apply filter, then sort it out. So as you can see here, there's a huge portion of all the primary factors to be failure to yield right away. So this gives you an insight about how people make mistakes when they drive. So what you actually could do with this, instead of keeping it like that, you could pick maybe, um, let's see. Oh, no, definitely not this one. Yeah, we could use this one. It tells us a lot, but I just want to show you first, like, it's not about picking the visuals first. You have to see the data, and then you could actually pick pick the visuals afterwards. But just to give yourself like a better idea about the data, you'd have to click for metrics, and then you could see the numbers. Then you could put a visual afterwards. We could bring it back, and you could actually go to view here. You could click on other uh, themes. Let's try this one. Too dark. Let's see. Oh, I like the font of this one. So yeah. So we got pretty cool idea about the primary factors. We would have to keep it as count of injury um, type. One thing we could track is the when has um, the accidents took place. So second of all, we could click on metrics as well and click on months here. And here it gets, as you can see, all the months per like for this given data. And actually we could see the count of injury type. We could drag it down here. Instead of the first, we would have to keep it as count. As you can see, there's 53, 943. This is the old number here, but here because I picked the top 10, it gave us a different number here, but data's correct. So what we could pick, we could sort this out. So as you could see, October um is the month with the most accidents. 5,000 581 then. So it's mostly in the winter here. Um, like the first, I would say 5 months, they're mostly in the winter from starting with fall, I mean, and then fall again, then these are like winter. So we know like because of the weather, this might affect on car crashes numbers. So we pretty much like know I have a pretty cool idea about this. This you could put it in um maybe like this. Here as you can see, it's fluctuating, but as you can see, October is the month with the highest number. We could add like two more um visuals here. We could add the pie chart, and for the pie chart, we could pick whether it's weekend or weekday, and we could put for the values injury type. Let's see. Okay, so around 70% is weekday. So I believe like people are coming back from work, and they're having like a lo very long day. Then, and according to that, they fail to yield right away or following too closely. And then you have that weekend mostly because of like a day out and coming back from this day out or going out. So it's pretty much like 24%, around three-quarters of the people are having accidents on weekdays. We could add one last visual here. Um, let's see what we could add. Um, let's see, we could pick again. Another one is metrics, as I told you guys. This is how I like to do it. Um, as you would like to do it, you could do it. You could pick first the visuals, but I would prefer to pick the metrics to see like what the data tells me, and then afterwards I would pick the visual afterwards. We could see the injury type on this one here, drag and drop. So we have fatal, incapacitating, no injury unknown, and so on. And we could actually drag this and drop in the values as well. Instead of first, we would have to keep it as count. So for the most part, it's no injury. Thank God, nothing happened to them, and thank God it's just only 115 people who died. God forbid anyone to have any accident. Um, so this is it for this video. Maybe we could add like a text here just to make it like look a little bit nicer. Um, you'd have to drag and drop like this, and then we could say car crashes 2003 to 2017, and you could actually bold this and make it bigger and then keep it in the middle, then you're good to go. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.